Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. Are you looking for a way to entertain your kids for hours on end and also help encourage learning through play? One thing that's helped is this Pikler Triangle set. It is a 9-in-1 foldable wooden climbing toy set for any kid from ages about 18 months to 7 years old. So that's a huge span. This is by Philnas, and they've made a wonderful product here. Solid, sturdy wood, even if you're closer to that 7-year-old age, it is strong and able to really hold up that weight. I like how compact it is and the fact that you can take the three pieces apart and play with them individually. It's nice. There's a seesaw, there's a slide, a balance. You can practice balancing by climbing. Then you have your bridge, and you can just make it fun and imaginative. The colors are beautiful and nice to look at. And then if you look a little closer, there are letters and shapes and, well, of course, the colors. So it encourages early learning. And this product is definitely a smooth finish and wonderful to touch. It's really nice and helps the imagination and is a way to easily entertain your kids. For me, it was nice to put together, and the instructions were simple. Everything was packaged so pristinely. This is a great indoor jungle gym or even an outdoor gym as well. We love it, but that's just our point of view.